All right, we're live. All right, guys. I had some technical issues going live in Facebook and YouTube. Just have to connect, do some stuff, so don't worry about it. So I want to do a quick video about some dangers and potential opportunity in the market. Okay, first let me do the disclaimer. Okay, I'm going to put this up here. You guys read that over for your safety. Move this over there, out of the way a little bit. All right, great. So that's up there. It'll also be pinned in the description. What I wanted to share was, so listen, the market's been, not behaving, right? We had this nice stretch here on that, more positive inflation report, but, we topped out, came down. We've dropped quite a bit in the last 10 days, 2 weeks, right? So my concern here and why I made the video for public consumption is we're at an inflection point right here where prices come down. It's touching this little demand zone there. Not little, this should do the trick. And we should, on the opportunity side, we should get at least a short-term rally. How long that'll last? Friday is, let's just look real quick. Friday is the unemployment report. So I believe non-farm payroll is Friday. Let me just make sure. Non-farm payroll, yep, on Friday at 8:30. ISM on Thursday. Okay, so we have some numbers here that are going to move markets. Got to tell you. So this is either going to move it to the downside or to the upside. Now, the opportunities here is we may get a green day tomorrow that gets us a rally. I'm using the micro ES futures, and this is a daily chart just for your if you're a technician out there. So here's where we are right now. Right, this demand zone here, stop price, great. Now it's got to push it back up. Now, here's the danger if you are just worried about like your long-term investments and let's say a 401k or something like that. I'm not a financial advisor, but here's a potential inflection point, right? If this doesn't hold, we don't have a bunch to hold us up getting back to the previous lows. Okay, so let me add a little bit more data here before I end this. Okay, so if that breaks, if this zone I'm just talking about where price is now heads lower, let's see here, give me 1 second. Move this up. We do not have a whole lot of fresh demand below for a while. So it could just be a real danger to any long, I'm not telling you what to do or how to, I just keeping your eyes open and looking at this as a potential reversal with opportunity, right? Or another way to look at this is a big danger sign, right? Because we got two big economic announcements coming out, one on Thursday, one on Friday. They're going to move markets up or down. I mean, it's just the way it's going to be, right? So, like, we don't have a ton of time to see how, today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday. If we get a green day tomorrow, hopefully it's a really nice rally. We can take profits pretty fast. And then Thursday, I would be protecting myself, moving my stop to break even, just taking the trade off altogether, all that kind of stuff for the ISM number, and then non-farm on Friday. But this could be a real danger if you guys are just like watching if you follow me on LinkedIn or Facebook or reading my emails, remember, this could be a real danger sign for like your longer term stuff. That's what when these could break hard to a real big corrective move. So just keep an eye on that. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or reply to my email or send me wherever you're watching this video. There's a way to get to me. So just wanted to show you that. I wanted to keep these videos brief, and that's the ES the micro ES is a reflection on the broad market. So if this doesn't hold, it's going to drag the whole market down. If it reverses to the upside, we're going to get a rally. But the inflection point's here, and we'll know in the next 3 days where we're going to be for the short and medium term anyway. All right. Okay, great. So if you guys have any questions, a link to my calendar will be in the description of this video. If you want to see how I trade and how I use this methodology, please feel free to book a call with me. My calendar will be there. You can select a time and a date. I don't think I have a lot. I don't think I have a lot of slots for this week, but right after Labor Day I will. So go ahead and